Salmon on the boat barbecue, marinated in soy sauce and lemon juice, with grilled veggies, surrounded by fresh air. So let's start with a tail piece of Atlantic salmon. For me, skin on works best on the barbecue. Marinate that in a plastic baggie in a mixture of garlic powder, lemon juice, and soy sauce. I'll list the ingredients at the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let that soak for a while. I'll slice up a zucchini. And a red pepper. I like red, some people like green, whatever. And add that to the marinade. Add some oil so it doesn't stick to the grill. And a bit of salt, but beware of how salty the soy sauce might be. So, this is marinated for about 30 minutes. Let's barbecue. Let the grill heat up. Grill for about 5 minutes on high heat. Turn a few times. Playing with the food on the grill is part of the barbecue fun. Check for doneness. Serve. Add a squeeze of lemon juice and enjoy. Barbecue salmon on the water. Ingredients: 1 pound salmon fillet, 1 large zucchini, 1 red bell pepper, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1/4 cup lemon juice, 1/4 cup soy sauce, salt to taste, and some cooking oil.